Now, if we select publish, we should be prompted that our lessons are still in draft. That's what it's displaying here. So if we go back to curriculum and we open a lesson, we can uncheck draft. Let's do that on these other few. If we come back to publish, that message has gone away and we can save. After refreshing, we can see this draft status is now set to published. From our dashboard, we can get the link to our course by going to courses, hovering over the published course until we see that share link, clicking share your course, and then we can copy that link here. Now that we've opened this in a new tab, our last thing is to give it a run through and see if we want to change anything. So already I know that I probably want to slightly tweak this graphic. I want to swap this one out for a genuine picture of myself. And here's how the curriculum looks once we are published. So it will show each individual lesson. And here I probably want to clean up this lesson name. It's always good to give this one final walkthrough before sharing with your audience for just this reason. You want it to look as professional as possible. From the course page, we could click edit and we could go ahead and make those changes. And if we refresh our course page, that image is looking a little bit better. I've replaced the instructor image with an image of myself, and our lesson titles are nicely adjusted. This is looking ready to share with our audience.